The visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learning modalities aren't the only way to look at learning preferences. Another, more physiological way to look at learning is with the separate hemispheres of the brain. Our brain is split into two hemispheres, the left and the right hemisphere, connected by the corpus callosum. The corpus callosum allows our two sides to communicate. They are also called the left and the right brain. The hemispheres of the brain are associated with certain character traits and functions. Right and left brain dominant people tend to correspond with many of the traits for their dominant side. Understanding the functions of each hemisphere will help you understand what functions you perform well and can use in your quality learning experience. Let's take a look at the right brain first. A right brain dominant person favors a creative personality. This doesn't mean that all right brain dominant people are artists or musicians, but right brain dominant people tend to think outside of the box and come up with creative solutions to problems. Right brain people tend to look at the whole picture and are more open-minded when confronted with decisions. Spiritual and nurturing parts of thought are often associated with this side of the brain. So, right brain people are often thought of as being sensitive, warm, or emotional. Some other traits describing right brain people would be spatial, nonverbal, receptive, daydreaming, or a preference for music and art. The right brain actually controls the left side of the body. So today in class, when you raised your left hand, it was actually the right side of your brain sending that signal. A left brain dominant person favors an analytical and linear personality. This doesn't mean that left brain people are all logical and no emotion, though we can use Spock as an example of an exaggerated left brain personality. Different from the holistic thinking of a right brain person, a left brain person will be more concerned with specific details. For example, a right brain teacher might quiz you on an idea or a concept, while a left brain teacher might quiz you on specific statistics. The left brain is associated with computation skills. So, while you may not choose mathematics as a major, numbers and details are probably something that interests you. Some other areas that describe the left brain would be verbal, likes symbols, cautious, or literal. And just the same way that the right side of your brain controlled the left side of your body, the left side of your brain will control the right side of your body. Looking at these traits, what side do you think is dominant for you? Maybe you see a little bit of both in yourself. If so, that's great. Whole brain thinking occurs when you use both hemispheres of your brain together. Many non-traditional students can even come into college already doing this because of life experiences that have led them to think that way. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Still not quite sure on which hemisphere you are? Check out the activity in your book for more help.